Hi everybody, welcome to this week's singing assembly. This week we will practice some things that we learned last week and we will learn some new things as well. Let's start off with a little game of rubber chicken. So if you're not already, stand up and put one hand up in the air. Ready and off we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Rubber chicken! Very good. Now we're all shaken up. I hope you're ready to be rockets. Everybody crouch down. And remember, say the words along with me, no matter how I say them, no matter how silly the voice. Ready? Off we go. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Up like a rocket and down like the rain. Backwards and forwards like a choo-choo train. Very good, everybody. Back to my normal voice now. Okay, I'm feeling a bit hungry this morning, so I think it's time for us to go shopping. So you need to hold on to your shopping trolley, but oh no, we've got the shopping trolley with the broken wheel. So when we push the trolley, it goes and I like to go shopping really fast around the supermarket. So when I go around the corners, it makes this noise. Ee, ee. And I like to be nice and friendly. So when I'm in the supermarket, if I see my friends, I go, hello, hello. Okay, I think you're ready. Hold on to your trolley and copy me. Okay, we're going to get some food that I like. So let's see, we're going to start off with some chocolate cake. Get the big chocolate cake, put it in your trolley, say, mmm. We're going to get some more food that I like. We're going to get some pasta. We're going to get a big bag of pasta and put it in our trolley and say, mmm. Now we're going to get some food that Mr. Kimmons doesn't like. Maybe you'll disagree. I'm going to get some bananas, but because I don't like them, when I put them in the trolley, I'm going to say, bleh. And now I'm going to get some tomatoes. Bleh. And now I'm going to go and pay for my shopping. Then I'm going to pay for my shopping, get some money out of my pocket. Oh, it's a bit scrunched up. Let's unscrunch it. And say, here you go. Thank you very much. And push our trolley out of the shop. Pick up our heavy shopping. And walk all the way home. Put the shopping down. Get a nice drink of water. Well done, everybody. I think you're ready for a new song. This song is called Slippery Fish, and we're going to meet lots of animals that live under the sea. The first one is the slippery fish. Put your hands together. Here is our slippery fish, and he swims through the water, but the ocean is a dangerous place to be, as we'll soon see. So I will sing it and see if you can join in with me each time. Slippery fish, swimming in the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Uh-oh, the slippery fish got eaten by a big octopus. Are you ready? Off we go, an octopus, swimming in the water. An octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. The octopus got eaten by a really big fish. A tuna fish, ready? Off we go. A tuna fish, swimming in the water. A tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. The tuna fish got eaten by a great white shark. Not now, Sharky. It got eaten by a great white shark with big jaws. Ready? A great white shark, swimming in the ocean. A great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Now the shark's been eaten by an enormous whale. Ready? Enormous whale, swimming in the ocean. Enormous whale, gulp, gulp, gulp. Burp. Pardon me. Can you do that end bit with me? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Burp. Pardon me. Well done, everybody. Okay, let's do a song that we learned last week about apples and bananas. But this time, I want you to walk the pulse on your knees. I want you to pat your knees along with the song. I like to eat apples and bananas. 2, 3, 4. I like to eat apples and bananas. 2, 3. I like to eat apples and bananas. 2, 3, 4. I like to eat apples and bananas. Very good. Well done for remembering it. But you'll also remember that we changed the sounds in this song. So all of those vowel sounds, we're going to change them to E. So your mouth is going to stretch out like this. And it's going to be E-leak to eat eeples in bananas. Ready? E-leak to eat eeples in bananas. 2, 3, 4. E-leak to eat eeples in bananas. One more time. E-leak to eat eeples in bananas. 3, 4. E-leak to eat eeples in bananas. Very good. Should we try it with a different sound? Let's try it with I. So think in your head, how's that going to sound? Instead of I like to eat, if we change all those sounds to I. Let's see. Off we go. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Let's do it again. I like to eat apples and bananas. 3, 4. I like to eat apples and bananas. Amazing job, everybody. You've learnt that song so well that I think we'll do something else new. This song is called Swing Me Over the Water, and we're going to do some copying me. So this means my turn, and this means your turn. Ready? Listening first. Swing me over the water. Swing me over the water. Swing me over the sea. Swing me over the garden wall. And swing me home for tea. There we go, easy, right? This time it'll still be my turn and your turn, but I'm going to do some actions. So when you sing back to me, I want you to copy the actions. Ready? My turn first. Swing me over the water. Swing me over the sea. Swing me over the garden wall. And swing me home for tea. Well done. Now this song is best with a partner. So you might have someone else in your house who can be your partner. Or, like me, you might need a cuddly friend. Right, Sharky, now it's your turn. Okay, so you hold onto your friend's hands and you got to swing as you sing. Ready? Off we go. Swing me over the water. Swing me over the sea. Swing me over the garden wall. And swing me home for tea. Well done, Sharky. Ow! That's enough of that, I think. Okay, do you remember last week I showed you a little body percussion beat that I want you to practice? It went like this. Stomp, clap, mana, clap, stomp, mana, clap, stomp, clap, mana, clap, stomp, clap, mana, clap. Well done. If you have practiced that and you can do it at the same time as me, you're doing an excellent job. And I want to change it a teeny tiny bit. Instead of doing our stomp with one foot, our stomp's going to be a jump with 2 feet. So you've got to be really careful when you make that sound to keep it in time. Let me show you, and then join in when you think you've got it. Stomp, mana, clap, stomp, clap, mana, clap, stomp, clap, mana, clap, stomp, clap, mana, clap. Have you joined in yet? If you haven't, try and join in with Mr. Kimmons. Get your jump, hitting the ground at the right time. Stomp, clap, mana, clap. There you go, something to practice for our singing assembly next week. And now, to finish off our assembly for this week, we're going to go on a bit of a musical adventure. This piece of music is all about climbing a big mountain. So that's what we're going to do as we listen to the music. So get ready, get a big rucksack, and the first thing we need to do is pack our bag. So we're going to put some things in we might need. We might need some spare socks, some water, some snacks. We might need some walking poles. We might need a hat, some warm coats. Okay, put it on your back, and off we go. Stepping up the mountain. A bit faster, otherwise we'll never make it. It's hard work going up this mountain. Oh, it's getting really difficult. Keep going, everyone. Oh, steep bit. Oh, I don't know how much longer we can keep going. How much further is it up the mountain? Oh, we can't really see, it's getting a bit misty. Everybody take a drink of water. There's nothing for it, we'll keep going. Get out our walking poles, ready, and off we go. The mist's getting worse. Can't really see where we're going. Let's have a look. What can we see up ahead? Not much. I can feel some bushes. I can hear some birds tweeting. We're getting closer. What could it be? Oh, it's a big, dark wood. We're gonna have to be careful, everybody. Tiptoe through the woods. Watch out for the branches going past your head. Oh, spiders' webs are across the path. Pull them out of your hair. Off we go. What's that? I think it was just an owl. I think it's okay. Keep going. Ooh. Watch out for the tree roots. They're really trippy, and with this mist we can't see where we're going. But look, it's getting lighter up ahead. Could it be the top of the mountain, out of the woods? Push the branches aside. We've made it! We've made it to the top of the mountain! Bring it back down. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I don't know about you, but that climb has made me very tired. I think it's time to have a sleep. Night night, everybody. See you next week.